Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we make the Kenyan tea. And yeah, we're going to start from milk. For the Kenyan tea, For the Kenyan tea you need milk, that's milk. And then you mix the milk with water. It all depends with your preference. For me, I don't like so much milk, and I also do not like so watery tea. So you mix according to your taste. You mix the milk with water, and this is what you come up with. So what you do to get really good results of Kenyan tea, you have to make the milk and water to boil. Bring this to a boil, and this is what we are doing now. And after that, according to your preferences, you can use the tea masala. This is what I use for my tea. That's really spicy, and this one I bought in Kenya. For the Kenyans outside there, you know about this. So and then you have the tea leaves. I'm going to show you. Oops. So as you can see, my milk is already coming to a boil, and at this point in time you add some tea leaves. That's the tea leaves that I have, and I also bought this in Kenya. This is black. These are black tea leaves. So according also to your preferences, you just add. Normally you are not supposed to add so much of it, because otherwise it's going to be really strong. So I choose to put like medium. Okay, I don't really measure that with a spoon or anything, but I just use like medium. So you put this to a boil. It's now boiling, as you can see. And as it boils, I'm going to prepare what I need for me to drink the tea, enjoy the tea. Remember, it's now winter and it's really cold. It's really cold and I'm freezing, and I just miss being at home, but unfortunately I have to stay there. You have to be very careful while you're cooking this tea, because sometimes it really cooks fast and always tries to really cook over, like just always comes up. Ooh. Yeah, so I added some tea leaves just to put some color until it's somehow brownish. That's the brownish that I really love. And at this stage, don't you mind, I have some groundnuts right here, also from Kenya, and I did the roasting myself. So I'm going to add the tea masala. Yes. And already put this to a boil. So I have my sieve right here. This is what you need to sieve that. I have my cup already here. And yes. So the tea is really brownish in color. It looks amazing, and especially on such a cold climate. Oh, I added so much of it. In such a cold climate, the tea always comes out really good, and I enjoy this so much. So you try to mix this. There's a difference between normal tea and there's a difference between tea masala. In my case, I'm making the tea masala. That's the tea that I'm just doing right here. For the normal tea, you do not need the masala unless you are making the specific masala tea. So I prefer the tea masala. Now the tea is ready, as you can see, and I'm going to sieve this. Oh, I'm sorry for the chaos that I have right here. So this is how I sieve this right to my cup. Wow, it looks delicious. Woo! I can't wait to enjoy my tea. Oh my god, oh my god. And then I add sugar to taste. This is my sugar. I really go for so little sugar, so and the tea masala is ready to be enjoyed. So thanks for watching me, guys. I'm looking forward to meet you in the next videos. Have a good night and wish me a nice tea time. Bye. Good night.